I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without having any subscribers and without having to turn on ad revenue. I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube as fast as humanly possible. Let's get into it. Now guys, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I started my business in May of 2019, the same time I started my YouTube channel, and since then, 9 months after that, I quit my 9-to-5 job and went all in with my business, and now I have full financial and time freedom. So that's the purpose of my channel, guys, is to help you get out of your 9-to-5 job, because guys, for me, I was absolutely miserable at my job. I wanted to leave and have time freedom. So guys, if you want to learn more, I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and let's get into the content. Now guys, the biggest misconception on YouTube is people think they need thousands and millions of views to actually make money. They think they need millions of subscribers to make a lot of money, but that's absolutely false. Now, of course, you can make money having a lot of views with YouTube ad revenue. I mean, if you look at a YouTube channel like Mr. Beast, I mean, he gets millions and millions of views. So because of that volume, he's able to make a lot of money with YouTube ad revenue. Now guys, what I teach is totally different, okay? I teach you how to build a business with affiliate marketing, but you want to pick a niche, and within that niche, you want to create content around that niche, right? You pick a niche, you figure out, what affiliate product you want to go with that niche, and then you start creating content on YouTube. Now, here's a fun fact, guys. I started my YouTube channel in May of 2019, and in the first 6 months, I created a 6-figure business. But get this, guys, I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers, and I was already making 6 figures. Now, how is this possible? So guys, the first step is to figure out your niche, right? So for example, if you want to go into health and fitness or teach people how to make money online or cryptocurrency, right? You want to pick a niche. Now, once you pick your niche, you want to go and find affiliate products that are going to be in that same niche, right? So if you find a health and fitness product and you're helping people with keto, right? Well, maybe there's a course on, how to use or how to do keto. So you become an affiliate for that course. And then step number 2 is you want to create content around that niche and around that course, right? So for example, another example here, right? If you're doing cryptocurrency and you want to make money in that niche, then maybe you go and find cryptocurrency courses, you find cryptocurrency tools, places to trade. You become an affiliate of those courses and those tools, okay? Now, once you do that, you want to go and create helpful content on YouTube. Now, guys, the concept is actually really simple, right? We go and find these products, become an affiliate, and the type of content is fairly simple, okay? Because all you're doing is now helping people get that result that they want, right? If it's health and fitness, then they essentially want to learn how to lose weight or gain muscle, whatever it is, right? So we're going to create content around those key words. And that's really important to understand about YouTube, is people actually go and they search things on YouTube, right? How to lose weight as a 40-year-old woman, how to gain muscle as a 30-year-old man, right? People are literally typing in these keywords into YouTube. So the goal is to now create content, help people with their exact keyword, and then in your call to action, in your YouTube video, you say, hey, well, if you want more help, well, click the link down below. And this is how I'm able to make over $100,000 per month with my YouTube channel. And again, guys, that's not even with YouTube ad revenue, right? YouTube ad revenue is not something I focus on because it's not that much money. I mean, you would need hundreds and millions of views to actually make a lot of money with YouTube ad revenue. What you want to focus on is that niche, and you don't need hundreds and millions of views, guys. I mean, I literally get 300 to 800 views per video, and I can still make 6 figures per month. And that's the power of YouTube. Now, guys, the third step to this, and this is actually the most important step, is by building an email list using your YouTube channel. Now, you can do the first 2 steps, right? You can find a product, and then you can become an affiliate of products and essentially create content and send people to those affiliate links, right? And you can make a lot of money. A lot of people do this and they make enough money, but with step number 3, you want to be building an email list, because what happens if you're just sending people to an affiliate link, you're not able to follow up with those customers, right? So think about it like this, right? If you're selling an Amazon product and you're just sending people to that Amazon product, you have no way of actually following up with those people. So that's why it's really, really important that you build an email list. And this is literally the most important part of my business is I create a page where I can capture an email, and then from that page, then I send them to the affiliate offer. Now guys, one thing to note is the money that I make from the affiliate offers and the programs that I have, it far exceeds the money that I get from YouTube ad revenue, okay? So let me explain some of the numbers, okay? So typically I'll make between $2,000 and $4,000 per month with YouTube ad revenue, which is a lot of money, right? But the money that I make from the YouTube description with my affiliate links, with my programs, far exceeds the YouTube ad revenue, guys, like by 10x, right? Because now I'm able to make $150,000 per month instead of the $2,000 to $3,000 with the YouTube ad revenue. So this is where it becomes extremely powerful because I'm creating content in a niche, creating helpful content, and then sending people from that helpful content to my courses, to my affiliate offers. And this is where it becomes extremely powerful because now I'm building my email list, and because I'm building that email list, I can now control the traffic, right? I can send an email anytime I want to my potential customers. Now guys, essentially the process is extremely simple, right? You go and create content, you find an affiliate product and send people to that list or to that product so you can build your email list. Now, if you want my full step-by-step tutorial and instructions where I literally show you inside my YouTube accounts, I show you how I personally rank my videos at the top of YouTube, right? So if we can rank our videos at the top, more people are gonna click on them, more people watch our videos, and when that happens, more people are going to click on our links and we make more money and we build our email list, right? Now, if you want the step-by-step, then guys, I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge where I show you step-by-step, click-by-click, how you can set up this whole system. But more importantly, right, is not only do I show you the skills, I give you the resources you need to start building your email list as fast as possible. I give you guys a book, I give you guys a funnel, so you guys can start literally using that to start making money. And essentially, you guys can have your business up and running in literally the next few hours, okay? But of course, I show you how to do this yourself as well, because I wanna show you the skills, but I also wanna give you the resources to get up and running as soon as possible. Now, within that 3-day challenge, guys, I go extremely into depth on how to get started with your affiliate business, but more importantly, how we build our email list, because I think that's the most important part of your online business. Because essentially, I mean, you can go and create content and send people to an affiliate link and that will work. But if we're building our email list, it becomes way, way more powerful and we can start making a lot more money, right? So think about it like this, right? If you're just sending people to one affiliate link and they buy, that's good, right? We make money. But what if you can capture that email, right? You create content on YouTube, you capture that email, then you send them to the offer. Well, now you have that email and now you can follow up with different offers that you have, okay? This is called the affiliate stacking ecosystem. So that's where it becomes extremely powerful. And this is how I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job as an electrical engineer. So guys, again, I want to invite you to the 3-day business breakthrough challenge where I want to show you how I do over $100,000 a month using and leveraging the power of YouTube. Now guys, thank you so much for watching this video on how you can make money with YouTube, and guys, how you can get started as a complete beginner. Now guys, please subscribe to my channel if you found any value, like, comment, and guys, I'll do my best to reply to every single one of you. With that being said, we'll see you guys on the next video, and God bless.